kate ngo uzabishyuza kandi ikigaragara nuko azabishyuza
you being
kujya bavuga ngo namazishyura namuzishyuza ku bukwe bwanjye please
namaze abicaye imbere
kate nzaguruka nzavuga MC
imeza abantu 8 muri serie nyine ni 800,000 ubishaka ayandike muri serie ariko
ngo kate azabishyuza ku muryango ngo ya murata murinjira VIP ni second zo VIP zabari he
ni 800,000 imeza abantu 8
akatubwira nawe
Chetsu utabishaka namusaka zabari imbere nagasaba umenye ko byashikiye inyuma ari
you guys exaggerate umva kate ngo uzabishyuza kandi ikigaragara nuko azabishyuza
you being private and being here live because it's my friends
aravuga ngo muravuze ngo idea ya kate niyo kabisa yo kwishyuza
kabisa
kuko rike abantu barashaka muri mariage
uzabicaza hehe se
harahari nzabicaza hejuru hanyuma umwe ni 50,000
kate 50,000
umwe
none BL
kate
sawa yewe unyandikira serie
oya kate ntabwo akishyuza abantu
kate zavuganye n'ababombs
no I'm not gonna tell you guys the type of wedding dress that I picked. It's gonna be a surprise.
duza AK asokera umuhoyi
kate muravuze ngo katugira inda
va
yes we I'm gonna do YouTube channels. Shout out again. Maybe. Ariko abantu bose bumva bari ahangaha niko bose bari commenting ahangaha cyangwa there's somewhere hiding. Umva munyese ibyo bibazo byanyu nisomere.
Oh, you guys want me to ask you guys questions?
Brenda join. Brenda join.
Brenda Raj.
You don't have to put your face. Yes, Josine is my cousin.
My
cousin. It's
That's
my
my
cousin. That's my cousin.
Hey, yo.
Uba muri iyo famille kuri church. Mureba. Ibumba ni iki please? Hey, wapi ibumba ngo bari kuyomba wibimbaza?
Lipstick or lip gloss? Oh, lip gloss for sure.
all the way
No, ntabwo dukwenza ke iyo mbwa ugiye kuyijena.
The dance moves uzaba Naomie. Naomie dance moves isn't easy. Hey, check out
Ndarenze.
And Kethia arimo guteka. Watubarije Kelly
yakoresheje gukuraho straight marks
kunda after giving birth.
Okay, kiaza wakorere live y'aba mama. Kelly, you should come here and talk to. Actually, Kelly, you should open a YouTube channel about motherhood.
Yeah. I think that would be so helpful.
if you have any questions DM me I'll answer you
Period.
No, you should create an account actually. Separate.
Another account.
Yes, about motherhood.
The journey to motherhood.
Mom Kel
Imbwa rero mbere tumwe tuberekana amahanje kandi ntabwo bishoboye.
Mike and Malik
abana banyu ngo mukunshakira amazina
Ndiye Malik ndayikunda cyane. Kandi uri Muslim.
ndi umwisilamu
Malik rero ni keza cyane. Malik and
Brenda
uyanyoherereze
Mimi nasema Swahili ya kidogo kidogo lakini
Kidogo kidogo.
Unaenda vile utapata ya mipira yako.
Fatia.
Hari umuntu afashe live yangesha kuri YouTube yiwe. None ngo I'm pretty sure ningi kaza kwiona kuri YouTube.
Cyane.
Basi se iyo wigitingana kuno washoga filter mu maso.
Ngo tell us kasi Delvida ibya lashes. Asigaye akora ama lashes very nice. Mujye kuyakoresha.
What makes you feel proud?
Greetings from Cafe.
Oh, actually, what makes you feel proud?
Proud of myself or you?
No, of you. The fuck? Who are you proud of?
I'm still alive, thank God. Ese muri kwa Kevin. Lego Swahili.
Oh, turi kubera iki?
Yeah.
Okay, mes chéris, mes amis.
Brenda, please join.
Brenda, please join. People are asking if you can join.
That's it, yeah. This is it.
Kelly.
Beaucoup. No, yeah, like I have to make it and it's like it has to be 24 hours. Check.
Fais ça pour moi, s'il te plaît.
Non, je vais utiliser pour moi là en fait.
I learned to do my makeup nkurikije video yawe. Oh my god, thank god. Usikunjana nzi kwisiga makiage. It was crazy. Speak Swahili. Come so Tanzania. I feel like we don't have anything to say. You're being
Ngamara sasa amajije kingana gutusha like a month, 3 weeks, a month.
No, Her Majesty. Kampala sasa gutya mbabarire.
T'aimes bien?
T'aimes quoi?
Et bah on a besoin de mon.
Est-ce que je t'ai jungurira? Akuzanitse twa tumete twanjye ndishaka nambara.
Chérie,
Ufite tungahe?
3. Quand j'ai besoin d'ici, ici,
Ah.